Hello, welcome to Rosima's Academy. So today we want to look at bisection of angles. We want to see how we can bisect our angles. So to get started, we need to have an angle so that we can be able to bisect. So I'm going to be drawing an angle. So I'll get my angle drawn on this line. So this is my line. And this is my point, and this is my protractor. I use my protractor to get the angle drawn. Okay, now you can see that's my starting point in the middle. Now I'm trying to make sure that I'm not making any mistake. Okay, now so we are going to start from 0 and measure anti-clockwise. I want to get angle 130. Angle 130 is this. So I will measure. I'm using the inside one, 0, 10. I will measure until I get to 130. I will trace it and make a point. If I want it to be this side, I might have started from here. I will now read 0. I'm not going to use the one outside and get my 130 somewhere here. But since I'm using this one, let's continue with the one I'm using. Now I have my angle 130. I'll use my ruler to join this point I made with this starting point. So okay. Guess this is it. I'll draw my line, a straight line. Okay, now from here to here is angle 130 degrees. Sometimes in questions you will just see it this way. Now let's see how we can bisect this angle 130 degree. Now what is bisection? To bisect means to divide into two equal parts. To bisect means to divide into two equal parts. Now we're going to divide into two equal parts without necessarily using our protractor. We won't use this today. We are going to construct a line of bisection, the line that will bisect, that will divide it into two equal parts. And to do that, trying to make sure everything is okay. Okay, so we start by, the first thing we do is to use this pin mouth, usually the pin mouth of your own compass. You place it at the origin, open this to any radius of your choice, and make an arc. Now you have made an arc. You will use the same pin mouth. The arc must have intersected these two lines that form that angle. It must have intersected it at here and here. So I'll place this here at that point of intersection. If you like, you open more. I like opening more. Then make another arc. Place at the other point of intersection. Make another arc. Since the two arcs are not meeting, I'll come back to repeat this one. I'll make it to cut the first one. Now you can see that I have a point of intersection of the two new arcs. That point of intersection of the two new arcs is this. So I'll use my ruler once more to join this point of intersection with the origin point. Okay, so let's get it done. Okay, I have succeeded in dividing this angle 130 degree into two equal parts. This is part A and part B. Now the next thing you are done with what you are doing. Now first of all, when we divide 130 degree into 2, what are we expected to have? Divided by 2 should give us 65 degrees. 65 degrees, yes, 65 degrees. So it means that this angle in A is 65 and this is 65. So let's use our protractor to measure. Okay, you can see that that line from this one, I'm trying not to, yes, from this line, I'm starting this from this line to the new line or the line of bisection. This is not placed at 0. Okay. I'm trying to get the origin and also trying to make sure that this is okay. Now I have something. It's still yes. Now watch where it is. This is our line of intersection. Is at 1, it is at 65 degrees. Now let's check this part. So here is 65 degrees. Let's check this. To measure this angle, please, you're going to place your ruler. You see what I'm doing? Place your protractor at the origin and follow the direction of this straight line. And check. It's still 65. See 60. So 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So this is 65. So angle A2 is 65 degrees. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.